Hey everybody, Dave from Days of Glory Shopworks here. I just figured I'd make a short video just to show that if you want to do a little bit of DIY and you like to videotape and... Ooh, videotape. Did I ever just date myself?
Video deep.
Ooh, anyway, if you like to video what you're building or showcasing or whatever the deal is, a cool tool you can have in your toolbox is basically a tracking slider. I think is what they call them, and you essentially are able to slide and kind of pan your camera across an item, and they tend to run for a nice little chunk of change depending on how fancy you want to get. Motorized ones, whatever, longer, shorter, curved ones, you name it. But just for the DIY at home, doing basic videos in his garage or wherever, just doing short little things, and you want to get that cool angle. Well, here's a quick video to show you what I did, and I think it's going to work out really well. I'm excited to try it out on my buddy's project vehicle that we're finishing up here tomorrow. That's Dom's buggy. And yeah, we'll see what happens when the video hits. Tell me what you guys think. Anyway, here's a short video on how quickly it was to make, literally quick and for free. I had all this stuff just sitting there. Anyway, enjoy, and here goes nothing.